This is the first of two videos I'm going to make demonstrating the songs that I mentioned in today's 590 class, but we didn't have time to do. So this first one is an example of teaching by rote. It does use a little bit of notation in the form of hand signs, but it's mostly teaching by rote. And you can use this as a model when you teach on Zoom. Okay, so for example, today class we're going to learn a song called Chook Chook, and it's about some chickens on a farm. Listen to the whole song as I sing it and see if you can figure out how the pictures go with the words. Listen to me. Chook, 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 good morning, Mrs. Hen. How many chickens have you got? Madam, I have 10. 4 of them are yellow and 4 of them are brown, and 2 of them are speckled red, the prettiest in the town. Now I'm going to sing the whole song again, and I'm going to use my hand signs for so, mi, so, la. I'm going to sing the whole thing, singing the words and using the hand signs. You just listen. Chook, 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 good morning, Mrs. Hen. How many chickens have you got? Madam, I have 10. 4 of them are yellow and 4 of them are brown, and 2 of them are speckled red, the prettiest in the town. I'm going to sing this song phrase by phrase. So I'm going to sing one phrase at a time. We've got the blue phrase and the yellow phrase and the orange phrase and the green phrase. I'll sing each phrase one at a time, and then you echo me. My turn first. Chook, 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 good morning, Mrs. Hen. How many chickens have you got? Madam, I have 10. 4 of them are yellow and 4 of them are brown, and 2 of them are speckled red, the prettiest in the town. Awesome. Now I'm going to put 2 phrases together. So I'll sing the blue phrase and the yellow phrase, then the orange phrase and the green phrase. And after I sing 2 phrases, you echo me. I'll do the hand signs and show you when it's your turn to come in. My turn first. Chook, 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 good morning, Mrs. Hen. How many chickens have you got? Madam, I have 10. 4 of them are yellow and 4 of them are brown, and 2 of them are speckled red, the prettiest in the town. Okay, now that we've sung 2 phrases at a time, I'm going to sing the whole song. But before we do, I want you to listen very carefully. I've been singing with my hand signs. Chook, 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 like so, la, so, mi. I want you to listen carefully and see if you can figure out which phrase does not have la in it. It just has so, mi, so, mi. It only has those 2 pitches in it. So I'm going to sing the whole thing with my hand signs. Your job is to listen and see if you can figure out which phrase does not have la in it. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Chook, 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 good morning, Mrs. Hen. How many chickens have you got? Madam, I have 10. 4 of them are yellow and 4 of them are brown, and 2 of them are speckled red, the prettiest in the town. Okay, so here's how you're going to tell me which of those phrases doesn't have lie in it. We'll do our rock, paper, scissors, choose, except when we get to choose, instead of showing me rock, paper, or scissors, you're going to show me whether you think it's 1, 2, 3, or 4 when I say choose. Okay, when you know, put the answer in your hand. Rock, paper, scissors, choose. If you said phrase 3, you're correct. Phrase 3, the orange phrase, does not have la in it. It goes, 4 of them are yellow and 4 of them are brown. So, me, so, me, so, me, so. So if you said the third phrase, good job. Now I'm going to sing the whole thing. I won't use hand signs this time. I'm going to sing the whole thing and you can sing along with me. Here we sing, chook, 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 chook. Good morning, Mrs. Hen. How many chickens have you got? Madam, I have 10. 4 of them are yellow and 4 of them are brown. And 2 of them are speckled red, the prettiest in the town. Great, thanks for singing along with me. Okay, now back to, away from elementary teacher mode, back to college teacher mode. So those are the kind of steps that you can do when you teach your rote song assignment for this class. That's an example of doing it with a visual. I don't expect you to use hand signs. You can if you're comfortable doing something like that, but I don't expect you to for the purposes of this assignment because we haven't gone over hand signs and we haven't done them a lot in this class. So you could do this same kind of thing, leaving out the, what phrase doesn't have line and all that kind of stuff. But that's just a sample for you to follow. I'll do Captain Don't Sidetrack Your Train, the other song that I mentioned in the lesson, in a separate video.